be real, when most people think of CNC machining in China, one word comes to in mind: cheap. Cheap labor, cheap material, questionable quality. For lots of engineers, outsourcing here feels like a gamble. Today, I'm taking you behind the scenes at 3RP. We are boasting the 3 biggest myths. Myth 1: Chinese shops use low-grade material and run outdated equipment. Here's the truth. Our production floor is packed with advanced multi-axis CNC machines. We run precisely calibrated machines to guarantee absolute precision on every single cut. Every block of titanium, aluminum, or steel that goes into our machines is certified high-quality material. No shortcuts, no fake alloys, period. Myth 2: communication gap is a black hole. Your specs will get lost in translation. We know design accuracy is everything. That's why we never just blindly hit start on the machine. Our team runs an in-depth DFM review to make sure your design is fully optimized for production. We will work closely with you to fine-tune and nail down the perfect manufacturing plan. Myth 3: quality control is just a stamp on a piece of paper. Welcome to our climate-controlled QC lab. In here, we measured in microns, not millimeters. This CMM verifies every critical dimension directly against your CAD data. From thread feed to surface roughness, everything is rigorously tested. Manufacturing in China is where competitive efficiency meets uncompromising quality. So send us your CAD files today and let's show you what we can really do.